to Inside Public Works. I'm your host, Kelly Kausbeck. 2025 was a busy year at Contra Costa County Public Works Department as we continued our mission to deliver cost-effective, safe, reliable, and sustainable programs, projects, and services with a focus on our communities. Our goal is always to enhance the quality of life for the residents of Contra Costa County. Among our most notable activities for 2025 was the completion of the Wildcat Canyon Road Slope Failure Repair Project, the guardrail replacement project on Vasco Road, and the ongoing efforts to improve infrastructure throughout the county with our pavement management program.
We are at the Wildcat Canyon Road's embankment repair project. And this road is heavily used by bicyclists and recreationalists as well as commuters from the Berkeley Hills into Orinda. And in the winter storms of 2023, there was an unprecedented amount of rainfall which caused the road to fail. And ultimately, the county closed the road. It's been closed since March of 2023. Public Works has been involved since day one. Our maintenance division originally received reports of the washout that occurred here, and it immediately came over to the design construction division to begin coordinating funding and the design for the project. We did geotechnical investigations immediately following the initial slide and began the design immediately so that we could get construction started as soon as possible. The purpose of the project was to replace the road in kind, to reinstate the roadway section itself so that people can use it and get through it. We upgraded the roadway cross culvert that conveys the drainage from one side of the road to the other, and we installed a retaining wall which will help reinforce the embankment adjacent to the road to prevent slide outs in the future. The contractor is putting in the subgrade for the road, and then we're scheduled to be paving in another week. We've gotten really positive response. They're excited to see us out here repairing the road and looking forward to it to be reopened.
In 2025, Public Works also brought people together, not only to improve roads and infrastructure, but to build trust and collaboration in a variety of ways. This included hosting and attending community goal-setting meetings and workshop events with our county supervisors, participating in the annual Contra Costa County Block Party, where neighbors, staff, and partners came together to share resources, stories, and smiles. Welcoming community members and economic development professionals to our facilities for informational tours, holding community events to improve the environment and raise funds for our local food banks. Our Small Business Enterprise Program continues to empower local entrepreneurs and help small businesses grow and thrive in our community.
And we want to get your input because we want to do this right. And so I appreciate you taking the time to be here.
Thank you, Supervisor Burgess.
I want to make sure my kids are safe and my grandchildren are safe when they go down Vasco Road.
Understood.
focus on economic development, on innovation.
And I just want to thank Public Works for making the time to make sure that this was a clean meeting so that community could come out. I know a lot of people work.
We've got Bay Area Skydiving, Soaring Association, and then we're also home to the Patriots Jet Team Foundation, a really cool organization.
We're the middle of the mega region of Northern California. We're close to Sacramento, we're close to the port of Stockton, we're close to Silicon Valley and San Francisco. We have a workforce that is educated and is technologically the early adopters. So we are the place for a lot of potential.
I think Byron Airport is where you want to be. Close enough to the Bay Area, but it's out here in a place where it's friendly to go out and test new things. And there is special airspace permissions that allow us to test this big drone that you can see. It's got about a 26-foot wingspan.
Timelines are converging in a beautiful way. What I've seen the FAA creating in terms of pathways to commercialization, it's accelerated quite a bit, even just this year. We have been operating here out of the Byron Airport for almost coming up on 3 years now, and we are very excited to be here. We are a company with 25 employees, and again, very proud of the jobs that we host and create here in Contra, Costa County. We have plans to double that over the next 2 years.
Thank you for joining us. This was just a sampling of the work that we did throughout 2025. Thank you to our staff, partners, and community members for making it all possible. Here's to an even brighter 2026. To learn more about Contra Costa County Public Works, visit us at cccpublicworks.org.